we have our wood, our glued up wood.
Okay, what is this going to be?
This is going to be the desktop, the bottom of the desktop. We glued up the 2x8 yellow pine that we planed down. And hopefully everything's stuck together. There we go. Ooh, yeah, it's stuck. This is why you have this one.
Ah.
Just sound your sound off.
Nope, that's good.
All right. So now, looks pretty good. So the next step here is what we'll just, actually just trimming it up and sanding it.
Cool.
And we have the cabinet top. Oh, hold on. It would be helpful to get rid of these.
Okay, we're going.
Same thing to the cabinet top, 2x8 yellow pine, plain, jointed, and glued up. Oh, and the biscuits too.
So it was put together with biscuit joints.
With the biscuit joints in. Oops. And that's looking pretty good too.
Alrighty.
And that's pretty much ready to go.